This video is for lesson 6-8, volume of spheres. So to find the volume of a sphere, all you need is the radius. So the equation for this, volume equals 4/3 pi r, and then we're going to cube this. We're going to take it to the third power. All right, so some examples. We are going to round to the nearest hundredth again. And so as always, you write your original formula. And then we plug in what we know. So my radius is 8. And then the same way that we've been doing all the other shapes, you can type it in just like that into your calculator. So 4/3 pi 8, and then the exponent key is here to the third. And so we're going to round to the hundredths. So our volume is going to be 2,144.66 inches cubed. All right, on this one we have the diameter. So to get the radius, I have to divide it by 2. So my radius would be 18 here. So I plug it in there. Again, type it in your calculator just like that. And you'll get volume equals 24,429.02 feet cubed. All right, this sphere is measured in centimeters, but this is a hemisphere. So we've got one more step to do. We've got to take the volume and divide it by 2. So my formula here, my original formula would go on top, but I have to take all that and divide it by 2. So my radius is 7, and then I'm going to divide it by 2. So when you do this in your calculator, you're going to start with a fraction, and then you're going to have to do it again. So you can get the 4/3 pi, and then the radius is 7 cubed, and then divide by 2. So that's what it should look like in your calculator. So your volume here would be 718.38 centimeters cubed. All right, again, we have another hemisphere, but I have the diameter this time. So to get the radius, I have to divide by 2. So the same formula that we used on the last one. And that is a 3. And so your volume here would be 261.80 millimeters cubed. Okay, so now word problems again. It's better if you can draw a picture. So how much air can fit in a ball that has a 5.4-inch radius? So to draw a sphere, circle, and then a dotted line circle. So it tells me that the radius, so that's halfway across, is 5.4. So we still need to rewrite our formula and then plug in what we know. And so my volume here would be 659.58 inches cubed. All right, Amelia has a sphere-shaped sand toy. How much sand can she fill it with if it has a 12.8-inch diameter? So here's my sphere. And this time it's giving me the diameter, so that goes all the way across. And that's 12.8. So to find the radius, I have to divide the diameter by 2. And so here I would get a volume of 1,098.07 inches cubed. And then finally, a large beach ball has a diameter of 3 feet. How much air can fill the ball? So I know what a ball looks like. And again, they gave me the diameter. So to get the radius, I have to divide by 2. And my volume here would be 14.14 feet cubed.